Hello everyone, welcome back to Collision Repair Magazine. I'm Allison Rogers here today with the Canadian Franchisee of the Year winners for CARSTAR Canada. Congratulations guys, what an incredible honor.
Thank you.
How do you feel with the new award?
Too early to tell yet.
So tell me about your business, tell me about CARSTAR Centennial Group. You say you started in 2004 with CARSTAR with 2 facilities?
Yeah, we started in 2004 with CARSTAR, but we actually started in 1979.
79, wow.
With 1 store.
Yeah, so you're a veteran in the industry.
Yeah, and then in 1987, we went to 2 stores, and then we stayed at that till CARSTAR. We only had 2 at that point. And then what year did we start opening?
Well, it's been a few years. Basically, we had a CARSTAR meeting, and it was the first one. And the gentleman from Moncton was across, and it just didn't sound like he was still enthused about what was going on. So he really asked me wanting to sell, and so it was our first one. So it was our first child of a younger generation. My brother Rob, who's not here, but didn't stay home by the fort. So then we started in New Brunswick, and that kind of opened that store, that avenue. And then we went for a little trip to Italy and back, and on the way home, we got a call there about another store in Dieppe, wanted to sell. Be interested in selling.
Which is right near Moncton.
Yeah.
So we got that one. It was a nice family business. They stayed with us. The transition was good. And then the third one was over in Riverview. Basically the same thing. He'd wanted to sell it to us, but he wasn't ready. Then he had an event come up, and he said, "Yeah, I'm ready to sell." So we took that one. That was another well-run, really good, good trustworthy shop for us. It was an easy takeover.
Have you found that they've kind of all been like that, an easy takeover, or have you had some rough goings, to put it lightly?
Well, yeah, they're all different. They're like different people, right? They have different challenges, but most of them, I would say, no, all of them would say would be good takeovers.
Yeah,
for sure.
you guys have clearly, the growth strategy is great. And you're trying to go. You have how many stores right now?
Well, we're in counting, I guess. We have one in Dartmouth, and then we're building another facility in Dartmouth, the bigger one. We'll be able to house actually 2 more body shops. So we're going to do a little bit of switcheroo there, and then we have another one, Truro and New Glasgow, which just opened 1st of July. So, and those are existing CARSTAR stores. And we know the families that own them. They're actually families. We just want to pass it on
from CARSTAR, right?
Yeah, exactly. Being close to the founding, you were probably one of the first members in some after because CARSTAR started in Canada around the same time, right? So.
Yeah. Well, it was more in Ontario first, but by the time it got down to PEI, it was a few years later.
Yeah. So, as part of the CARSTAR family, how do you feel supported by their network? What are some of the top things that you think really help you drive down, get the results that you're looking for, and continue the growth strategy? How does CARSTAR help with that?
Well, I think in the early days, now I'm kind of back now, but these young fellows are taking it over as far as that stuff. But in the early days, there was the direct repair. That was the big thing. That was huge, like the contracts they had with insurance companies, and that's what we needed. And it took a while to turn on, maybe a year or 2 years, and then once it got turned on.
And what about now in these, albeit challenging times? We're kind of on the end of COVID, but there's still supply chain problems, part shortages. We're talking about a lot of it in the conversation. But how does CARSTAR's strategies help you with that, and how do you face these things that we're facing right now in the industry?
Well, we really feel like as far as more stores go or anything like that, like CARSTAR, our rep Dave here, he's brought those opportunities to us. So it's not necessarily we've gone out looking, knocking on doors. He actually brings them to us. So
wow,
that's to be said. He does a lot of work to help us with all the transitions, etc. New construction, permits, etc. Yeah, it helps a lot. The support for sure.
Well, thank you guys so much. I don't want to take too much of your time up, but congratulations again for Franchisee of the Year.